Hey, it's Lisa. We are going to do a little pretending thing today. We are going to pretend like you guys bought my lead gen secret, and I wanted to show you how to work it. So this is the page that you would sign into, and then you're going to click on mailing system. And here it's going to, there's also a video here if you need more information, but here's your leads. Those are all your leads. And we're going to go over to, back up here, to mail swipes, and we're going to go to the first email. So you're going to copy this, and I have to go up here because I don't know why. We're going to copy that, and then we're going to go back over to mailing systems, and we're going to go back down here, and you're going to paste it here. Okay, so paste it there. Oh my God, this really works. Then we're going to go back to mail swipes again, and you're going to take this and copy all that. Okay, copy, and we're going to go back to mailing system. And you're going to look down here, and it's going to tell you attention, please replace this text with your email, add body, blah, blah, blah. You're going to take all this and highlight this, hit delete. Go back up here with your cursor, and we're going to hit paste. Okay. So this is the email. So this is going to look a little different from this because I'm already in here. Now, please keep that in mind, okay? So you're going to leave this first name part right here. This is set to speak to whoever answers the email, whoever email it goes to, their name will go there, okay? And then you go down here, and you need to, all this is bold, so just highlight everything and make it unbold right here. So what you need to do is just highlight everything, click the B, see that's bold, and then unbold it, okay? And you want it to look nice and neat. So like right here, we're going to do register here for an account. So we're going to highlight that, and then we're going to go over here to the link. And here's your link for your super affiliate link. So go over to your David's page, get your super affiliate link, and then you're going to paste it right here. Okay. Now, let me show you one thing. This replace me, this is going to help you track what you've done. So I'm going to do email 1, my lead, what was it? My gen lead secret. Okay. This is just for me, okay? Because I know we have a tracking, but this is just for me for today. Okay, just click OK. And then you're going to do the same thing. Let's see, save yourself right here. Do the same thing here. Paste. Email 1, my lead generation secret. Okay. And then you're going to do it one more time here. You want to give them as many places to click as they can. Okay. Paste. And you guys can probably figure it either way that I'm telling you once you get going. Okay. Put that in there. Okay. So that's it. And then you sign your name. Enjoy and sign your name. You could sign your first name, last name if you want, or you could just sign your first name, whatever you want to do. So if I wanted to just do this, I just usually do this. Yeah. Okay. So then you go back up to the top of this, and you're going to select all your leads and get them over there so they can be sent. Okay. And ignore this for just a second because I'm already in the program. So once you get in the program and once you start sending out emails, they're all going to be loaded for you right here. So I'm going to look here, and which one we're going to do? Oh my God, it really works. That's the one we're going to do. Okay, so let's load that for me. Okay, so see, it's all here. It's all here, just like here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So, all right, we're going to hit perfect timing. And what that means is it knows the perfect time to send out the email. You can only send one email every 24 hours. And you can see right here, I've already sent one out a few hours ago. So down here, over here, there's going to be a preview and there's going to be a send. Always preview your email first. Make sure it's all working. Make sure you've got all your things in here. Make sure you have it signed the way you want it signed. Just make sure it's perfect, okay, for you. And then send it. And that's it. So each day as you go along, you'll have this email in there already. So all you need to do is just click on that upload thing or that loaded thing, this load thing, and it'll do it automatically for you, but still check it. I always check mine over and over again, just in case, you never know. So anyway, that's how you work that. And that's how you get your leads out from my lead gen secret. So I hope that helps you. And if you have any questions, please email me. I'm at moneymamax4@gmail.com. I will answer you. And you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.